So today we are going to learn about the life cycle of butterfly, okay? Do you guys know what is the life cycle?
Yes.
What is it? Tell me. Explain it.
Butterfly.
Okay, I will tell it you, okay? Okay guys, let's do the color in your butterfly, okay? Make it beautiful. Which color do you want, Mustafa? It's a pencil.
More.
This is the
टीचर
life
मैंने अपने
cycle of
हाथों पे
butterfly.
कोकोनट बिठाया था छोटे हमने करना है
Wow, it's a life cycle of butterfly.
मेरी बात
Okay, okay. Good job. We are going to make a butterfly band, okay?
ओके
This is the butterfly band. Paste the butterfly. Paste it over here.
टीचर ने मुझे मारा है
Good job. Okay. It's a butterfly band. Do you like it?
Yes.
Tell me, what is this? Good job. And which color is this? No, which color is this? Orange. Which color is this? Yellow. Orange. And which color is this? Good job, Habiba. Smile.